everyone and welcome to Poppy DIY Crafts. Today we have a brand new Elves box. This one is the May Elves box from Sophie and Toffee. Oh, and take a look. The theme for this month is Bubble Tea Cafe. Oh my goodness, that's so cute. So there are two different sizes that you can get for the Elves box. You can get the regular box and you can get the premium box. I have the premium box here, but let's go over the items that you would get if you have the regular box. So the first item here is bubble tea molds. There are three different sizes. This one is for the cup. We have a large, medium, and small cup with the insert so that the inside can be empty. I think these are for the lids. This one I'm not too sure. Maybe this is for the top of the cup. We put in the straw, and here is the mold for the straws. Next we have a little pancake mold. This one comes in two sizes. We have a 60-gram bottle of UV resin. And we also get 3 bottles of pigment dye in white, yellow, and brown. In addition, we have a bag of polymer clay fruit slices. Look at this. And you get a lot too. We get a bag of cups and utensils. Oh, this is pretty neat. So we got a fork, 2 spoons, a knife, and what looks like a pair of chopsticks. And we also get a variety of cups for sundaes or smoothies, even wine glasses. This is super cute. And we also get 1 miniature bubble tea cup. Of course, since we have the mold, we can make more using resin. And we got a few bags of these. This one is fake Boba tea beads, so they're just black beads. This one I think is fake fine sugar. We have some fake ice cubes. This is fake shaved ice and fake coarse sugar. Alright, so that's the regular box. If you get the premium box, you get these other items too. So here is a cafe themed resin film. So these you can put into your resin. We also have a bottle of white color art resin and some whipped cream nozzle. I think these two work together. Alright, and that's it. So let's go ahead and make some milk tea. So let's start by making the little boba cups. This is the cup, the lid, and the straw. And I'm going to be using this clear UV resin for it. And of course, I also have my UV light so that we can cure it. So we're going to take our UV resin and fill up the mold about halfway. Insert this in. Now let's make the lid. And here's a straw. Alright, let's take a look. Okay, here's our first cup. Here's our large cup. Oh no, we got a bubble here. And a tiny one. Oh, this tiny one is so tiny. So this is quite thin, so we can actually trim it with some scissors. Let's take a look at the lids. Here's the middle one. Oh no, we got bubbles everywhere. And this tiny one didn't work at all. Okay, so do we have anything usable? Okay, so we got... Okay, so I think we need to redo all the cups and also the lids. Let's take a look at the straws. Okay, this one didn't come out very good either. And this one didn't work. The small one. The small one got too much resin. Okay, and what is this? wonder if this is a lid. Okay, so these are also lids. So these are the flat lids, and this one came out okay. And we have the medium-sized lids, and the tiny lid has a hole in it. So we're gonna go ahead and redo these, and this time I have to be a lot more careful and maybe overfill it a bit so that we don't get these large bubbles. All right, everyone, take two. Okay, let's see if our second one turned out better. Alright, so we got a lot more overflow, which is good because we don't have any more bubbles. And let's check out the lids. Here's our first lid, looking really good. Medium, and the super tiny small lid. Now let's make the milk tea. Let's start with some clear resin. Then we will mix white, yellow, and brown 1 drop at a time to get the color that we want. Let's drop in some bobas in the cups, and let's pour the resin in. Oh no! This one had a hole! Oh my gosh, my resin's leaking! Here, since I don't have enough resin, I'm just going to top it off with some clear. Then we're going to add a little bit of white to get some milk in there. Here's take 2 for the medium cup. Let's add in some boba, and then add in the milk tea. So for the medium-sized one, I'm going to add some whipped cream. For the large one, I'm going to add some ice. Next, we're going to add the lid. We're going to use UV resin to stick the 2 pieces together. Alright, and finally the last step, we're going to add a straw. Since this top here is sealed off, all we need to do is add a little piece of straw. So I'm going to trim it down to a tiny little piece, and then we're going to stick it in using some UV resin. Alright everyone, so here are the little bubbles that I made. Here is the medium-sized one with a little bit of whipped cream on top. This one is the large one with some ice cubes. And I also made the tiny one. This one is just so small. Oh my goodness, look at it. And we also have the medium-sized one that started leaking, so it kind of came out on the sides. I UV'd it really quick, and so it kind of just hardened with the leak on the side here. Alright everyone, so what do you think of this kit? Do you like making bubble tea? So if you like this video and want to see more like it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Alright, I'll see you next time. Bye!